Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are here with Spice. Yes, man. Mama Spice herself with Hell No music video. Big up yourself, Gracie. Yes, big up yourself, Mama. We're going to jump in the one and see what y'all say. You see it, big up yourself again. Let's go. Cool boss.
Me and my friend, I'm a talk and ting. I'ma realize me now do certain thing. Feel like me out of place and think. Me now do them the freaky things. Me now take no golden shower. Piss for me, no boy could never. Nah, I damn be night to a undercover. Me and the mockers no bapa whatever. Me know fi a fuck, say me have you walk. This me nah do, me nah go take you back. Boss spit in the mouth, oh yeah, that's what. No pill me nah papa, me nah go take crack. You must say crazy. Why you talk on me now look? Me not cheap, me not do a quick joke. Pull up. Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Finally, one of the top female artists in the dancer come burn out them fuckery with the man that sing from there. Finally, Mama, no pity no more thing. Big up yourself, Gracie. No golden shower. Big up yourself, Gracie. I'm with you on that. None of that for ladies, them. Ladies, have standard. Have standard. Well, Grace, hold on, Gracie. I want to talk to you about something. Gracie, you hold on your body there, though, you know? You hold on your behind there, though, Gracie. You know, she says skirt too short, Gracie. You don't think I joke make look? Gracie, you hold on your behind there, though, you know, Mama? But me like it, me not complain. Let's go. Hold on, man, let's go.
Me and my friend, I'm a talk and ting. I'ma realize me now do certain thing. Feel like me out of place and think. Me now do them the freaky things.
So she say, she and her friend them a talk and thing, but she realize say what them up to. She not up to it. Wrong place, she the wrong conversation she even in her.
Me nah take no golden shower. Piss for me, no boy could never. Nah, I damn be night to a undercover. Me and the mockers no bapa whatever. Me know fi a fuck, say me have you walk. This me nah do, me nah go take you back. Boss spit in the mouth, oh yeah, that's what. No pill, me nah papa, me nah go take crack.
Yes, man. No pill. No crack. No pill or no crack.
I'm gonna take you back, boss spit in the mouth. Oh yeah, that's what. No pill, me nah papa, me nah go take crack. You must say crazy. Why you talk on me now look? Me not cheap, me not do a quick joke. Me not do a quick joke. Me not cheap like exercise book.
No quick fuck. No quick joke. Me not wrong your mama. If a boy want you, make him work feet. Girl, them love give a quick joke and feel the man I go far for them. No, there's plenty more jokes outside. I'm just saying. I mean, our standards. Simple.
Let's be very clear. No boy could have never dare. Fuck me and my friend and freak me out. Come me no man clown, me no put around here.
Yes, man. You have some girl a fuck them friend, man. And them friend know too. So two of them are fucking same man. Spice tell say your mama and on that. Principle to the thing. Yes, manners me have for myself. Yes, because ladies me have manners. Nothing wrong with them. I love them.
Let's be very clear. No boy could have never dare. Fuck me and my friend and freak me out. Come me no man clown, me no put around here. No boy can't treat me like that. Can't walk on me like a doormat. No boy can't meet me and freak me and feed me and leak and that's a full stop.
No boy, she said no boy can video her and leak that bumbo clot. The first of all, no video now go on. Put your phone in the next room. Blood clot. Yo, what you say? What you say to me?
A doormat. No boy can meet me and freak me and feed me and leak and that's a full stop. Oh no, hell no. This for me, hell no. No. Certain things I just won't do. Millennial.
But guys, America, you there, you know. I'm sure so them gyal with the front of you, American them, you know, especially one of them sucky banana, you know. American them, so it normal to them. So it good for know say they overseas same way, and you are still wall out, you're not bow out, you see it? Oh no arcade shit.
Stop. Oh no, hell no. Be spammy, hell no. No. Certain things I just won't do. Millennial or Gen Z, I don't know which one more freaky.
Yeah, man. Millennial or Gen Z Jezebel, which one more freaky? She don't know that she tell her she don't know.
Won't do. Millennial or Gen Z, I don't know which one more freaky. Me nah do no RG party, and a boy can't get my body easy. Me know fi a fuck, say me have a wap. This me nah do, me nah go take it back. Boss spitting.
She said she know for a fact that she have the WAP. The WAP is the wet ass pussy. She knows that she have the wet pum pum, the tight pum pum, the glow, the glimmetic, the glow. The proper uncle. She knows.
But the me know fi a fuck, say me have a wap. This me nah do, me nah go take it back. Boss spitting a mouth. Oh yeah, that's wap. No pill, me nah papa, me nah go take crack. You must be crazy. Boy, you talk on me nah look. Me nah cheat, me nah give a quick joke. Quick joke, me nah give a quick joke. Me not cheap like exercise book. Let's be very clear. No boy could have never dare. Fuck me and my friend now freak me out. Come me no man clown, me no put around here. Let's be very clear. No boy could have never dare. Fuck me and my friend now freak me out. Come me no man clown, me no put around here. No boy can't treat me like that. Can't walk on me like a doormat.
Yeah, man, you see that scene there? You see that scene there? True word, you see that scene there? She a graduate. Yes, she a graduate, a queen, which she is.
She
a graduate.
Boy can't treat me like that.
Yes, mama.
Can't walk on me like a doormat. No boy can't meet me and freak me and feed me and leak me and that's a full stop.
So West Spice, I tell you right here, so from the scene there to the senior, you can still make it just by being yourself. You can still reach your goals just by being yourself, ladies. So don't make no boy have nothing over you. That's what she say right here, so I like it. I endorse it.
Oh no.
Now any girl when I go like that song, yeah, uno onion get step on, uno toe get crush, uno corner ball out.
Oh hell no. Young bang who must be mad. Hell no. No. Certain things I just won't do. Oh no. Hell no. This for me must be mad. Hell no. No.
Certain things
I just won't do. Me and my friend, I'm a talk and ting. I'ma realize me nah do certain thing. Feel like me out of place and think. Cause me nah do them the freaky things. Me nah take no golden shower. Piss for me, no boy could never. Nah, I damn be night to a undercover. Cause me and the muckers no bapa whatever. Me know fi a fuck, say me have a wap. This me nah do, me nah go take it back. Boss spit in a mouth. Oh yeah, that's wap. No pill, me nah papa, me nah go take crack. You must be crazy. Why you talk on me nah look? Me not cheap, me not give a quick joke. Quick joke, me not give a quick joke. Me not cheap like exercise book. Let's be very clear. No boy could have never dare. Fuck me and my friend now freak me out. Come me no man clown, me no put around here. Let's be very clear. No boy could have never dare. Fuck me and my friend now freak me out. Come me no man clown, me no put around here.
Me like this Spice. Spice, me like this. Me like this. This I show them like the growth Spice. Like Spice just a transition, brother. Like the project them with Spice are forward with nowadays, bro. How can you hate this? Spice I tell the young girl them say, oh listen, have pride in yourself, dignity, self-respect. You see me? Respect on yourself. That's how Spice are telling you. Spice also are telling you say, yo, you don't have to do certain things, achieve certain things in life. You see me? You can wall out. Not because the crowd are do it, you have to do it. So ladies, any girl will have a problem with this, something wrong with you for real. Spice, big up yourself. Big up the producer for that one. Big up the production team behind that one. Spice, big up yourself again, mama. I like it. I fuck with it. Big up yourself, Spice. This is I'm gonna leave that one. If you enjoy that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.